Parkinson's disease has been globally recognized as the commonest neurological disease due to old age. In India, it commonly begins from 55 to 60 years of age. A patient of Parkinson's may experience tremor, walking and balance difficulty, and sometimes even falls and injury. The good news is that it is manageable with medicines and regular physiotherapy. Surgical options also exist, but only for those few who are likely to benefit. Your neurologist can help you by establishing the correct diagnosis and then the best treatment plan. This World Parkinson's Day 2024, let us recognize that besides medicines, such patients require care, compassion, and assistance from time to time. As part of our efforts, we at Dr. H Hiranandani Hospital Powai have launched the Next Move program, which is a comprehensive rehabilitation program for patients with Parkinson's. Our aim is to help them lead their life with dignity, independence, and fulfillment.